How to invite friends on Temu step-by-step 2025 tutorial. First, you have to click Temu application on your phone. If you don't have it yet, you can download it on App Store or Google Play Store. So here you can see now the Temu app is being opened, and you will just have to click You at the bottom. Then on the upper right corner you can see Settings, and here you can go straight share this app on Message, Facebook, or Messenger, or you can just copy the link and send it directly to the person you want to invite it to. And once they click that link, they can either create an account and it will be automatically your referral. Other option is that you can go to the home and then search bar at the top, search affiliate, and you can now go here to earn money. You can just share this one, copy the link, and then you can send it here on the options below, and then copy link again if you want a specific person to be invited to. So yeah, that's very simple. You can earn money by just inviting your friends. If this video helps you, you can either leave a comment, like and share, or subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated on the next tutorial videos. Thank you and goodbye.